my food is welcome once again to another edition of Tufumbe Show. Spark TV. Bampita Dorina Sasura eranga tukomeo side zechira tuliwa Sheila, Chef Sheila, lawyer, aka Mazam Vibe. Eranga yagambe bana yemukomeo nina chenjagalo bayigirize chirala nkugambye ya Yiga bingi tatabo yamuyigiriza atenga mukwano gwange gwalaba nayo banga tumanyi kufumba nange mnange walo mbera nga ndi lazy ne wali buto lubanje chirawo nogabane kanyimike yonkoleka quick fix so luli yatuyigiriza ya kantu koyinzo kola mangu awo ngendele kuluma ku machanga bolinde mmere ndala ba lunch so right now simanyi chat tegekede tugena kwanga to finding out very soon nenga njaga kwebazanya bale batufumbe mwebale nnyo mutukolera banange feedback okulaba Tufumbe mwebale and then njaga also kwebaza sponsors njaga kwebaza Chiko Muchuzi Mix bana Chiko Muchuzi Mix omwetaga mufumbiro owetaga aroma owetaga envanga nzito owetaga muchuzi muba mumbere Chiko Muchuzi Mix then bakwetede akapya Chiko Pilawo masala so bakera biragenda osubule Chiko Pilawo masala okuli sente tulina okudonya sente nusu bibiri nga oteka Pilawo masala Chiko mu muchere gongo womera very easy. Chef Sheila is a very good student. Banji bina bine bya Chiko ali wano antijukiza
nambi manyi bitegela bulungi. It's a very good one. You should try it. You guys should try it.
Mugezeko uyota Sheila
ndi bulungi
wewe tukomyawo
wabale kujja
wabale kulabika bulungi
wabale kusima tachi susa
Omanyimule bagamba ntobere waka abakazi abasinga tetwerabirira. Nakaba bana ngenda washira ina kabiri kaliyeri simanya bichi nesase bwina wekoze ko katono tono.
Ela sudia nnyo nkole ekisoboka. Oyinokulabika obulungi in your means.
True.
In your means gato kisusiza temu naye njagala kweka nga Doreen ezakakoyiko isizina. I have to
Mama wakalabye dda.
You have to be in the budget, you have to be in your means, and you make sure that it works for you.
Okay. But then I about just briefly, about single parenting. You know, like wakulane tata wo. How is that experience? Kwa ngaba singa ba in a relationship ne mama. Basinga bagamba batata tabela present. I love the fact that yakwigiriza okufumba. Nagenda nchirowoza ko. So chiba, how is it like?
For me, I've enjoyed every bit of it. I've enjoyed all my life with my dad. I remember my dad, if he doesn't come for vidinizo kaba, newabanga asindisa abantu 15. Yes, my father was a very present dad. He didn't have much, but he was really, really present. And his presence was felt when he comes back from work, atuyamba kola homework, even when it comes to like lady kind of things. My father was the first person to introduce me to maybe sanitary pads. Now, Gamba, this is what is going on. In as much as he had married somebody else, he had married another woman, but he was very present in our lives, and he was very intentional.
So, what are you mugambanga steps zobulamu
So, in a step jo mugamba.
Yeah, kugamba ganaga mateki jine myaka jotu seko.
Ajana kugamba chakabale tula wano. And he will tell you, now you've reached an age. If someone talks to you, a boy, come run to me and tell me. Banenze la safu na basajja bankwana mu high school, mu primary, paka ku university.
Right, buli akwana ko genda
wadaddi. Watoto wangu.
Daddy so ankwana.
Ngamugamba babe basibo bamanyi. Babe basibo ba pastor besomero baba. Madza jukira me I was a very fat girl. I was a very fat girl, very tall, so I would never attract boys my age, so I would attract men. Older. And then every man who would come to me, of course, I would go and tell my dad. Pastor,
no gamba jangu mwana wange muveko.
Banange nabajambera nganda bakama tukata twange bambinga katuse nga bazane police nga baze kuchima musomesa.
Kukwana.
But I appreciate the fact that my father was very present. It has given me a lot of Uganda.
Confidence?
A lot of confidence, a lot of self-esteem, and I look for different things when it comes to men. I look for those characters that I found in my dad.
Yes. In most cases, abakula ne ba single dads, you know, badonanya abasajja nga balinga tata wawe. Kati like what are those qualities zotu na nogamba ono nechino tata wange yali achikola.
Ate olusi chibela like bachita bacha Chibelanga, what's the word? I'm forgetting the word.
Like it's natural, definitely, like your instincts?
No, otuka nechibelanga ekizibu.
Okufuna omusajja afanana nga taata wo.
Otuka nechibelanga ekizibu kubanga kati otuka ekisala now you like older men. You like men who carry themselves in a certain way.
Who are going to value you.
Yes, you like men who are like so singana yali mukazi naligambe who are like wife material kwegambanga ali
so bononyanga husband material
ali humble when it comes to cooking taina buzibu when it comes to cleaning the house. My dad would clean the house and for me I found it normal, but when I meet men out there and they're like nzone mfumba like
nomuga bajja kunyambeko wano
nganchikola yes, it becomes a bit of a challenge, but also it has given me it has also given me grounds and basis on what I want in life.
Yeah.
So even I'm confident that I cannot do this.
I know chikusukako, but I love the fact that tata wambi ali present bananga basajja abali eyo abalabira abana mwe banyo kwera present mulambwa
bakati no mwana bela ne voice osolo kubera ono yimida no gamba I want this and this is what I want. For me I grew up and people used to bully me, oh you have fat legs, and then my dad would come and tell me like, and I would cry and my dad would be like, why are you crying? Those fat legs are the opposite of what everyone has, and that is what makes you unique and you should be confident in that. These days you never find me in a long dress. I'm always wearing skimpy and everyone's I'm like, yeah bitch, please move.
My daddy. Yawana magulu
so natural ngamba. It gives you confidence.
I love that. I love that.
And maybe you miss the mom part. The only part I miss about mothers maybe is to feel what people feel like
when you have a mother who is present
to feel what people feel when never imbaka mama never feeling. I do not have that. Even if I listen to a song of mothers, I do not have a single ounce of affection towards the mother. Like
so no relationship at all. So never more meeting akonga there's tewali connection area.
I've met my mom and there's nothing like I feel. Bella Uganda bango omuntu omulala oba ate yatuka nefuka transactional.
Bulwa kubira
ayagala sente kati ate nze nako omuntu ansabiriza sente mpoze nga nina kye nkufunamu
okitegeera
waba musajja nga nsaba sente I'm using you, you're using me. You get so even you're using me, we're using each other, but now when it comes to your mother, what am I using them for? I would have used them for emotional support, but I never got the emotional support.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just
so bakubira nga yaka sente omugamba these days
nedda wembanga samutadde mu plan simuwa newemba nina kakadde nga nina kyena plannings ekirala kina kakadde newembanga ngenda out I will eat the money and I don't feel any ounce of budget ounce of guilt.
Yeah,
I do not, and I don't care what people out there are going to be saying or judging. I do not, because my mom has never been present in my life.
Yeah.
For me, if my father called me and told me neta get kumi, I know he needs it. Ngenda chinonya.
Bambi.
Yes.
I love that.
Yeah. So nzabama wange wankubira nganina akakadde ngenda kunywa so whatever I'm going to use it for whatever champagne agenda then mugambe kankuteke programs zange zencha then enchanja mutekamo muloze ko mutekamo we
honestly I know change okuvayo nga chiri rude this obligation is an obligation like really but at least I'm so glad katugendagenda mufumbiro you turned out to be a very very beautiful grown woman and groomed by a man
cancel clock it.
So guys, I got a very style.
Let's move on.
Welcome back from the show break. Charlie wana Chef Sheila, the lawyer, the vibe lady. Mwebale nnyo kulaba Tufumbe. So sagala barisayo agambye agenda tuyigiza omuceere. Naye guno omuceere mugenda kwera mu coconut. So tugenda guyita coconut rice. Kati agambe mbuno bw'ogenda mu supermarket noonya coconut milk. Okitegeera eno UHT. Era bw'ogenda mu supermarket bagamba noonya mata agalika ekigambo coconut. Era omanyi coconut bwafaanana coconut bye bino ekinazi si kya kinazi kyekinazi so bati bwafaanana so agambe katukozese kana akatono kwa tuli batono olwaleero naye muli bangi mu family so ogula pint eddala eddako nga nnene ate kimanyi tebamuseera so tugenda kulaba ingredients kize twetaaga okufuna flavor ya coconut oba okukola coconut rice. Agambye eno wabere waka yerabirira yefaako era mugenda mulaba engeri gy'ayambaddemu olwaleero sayagala mmanye tuli mu kufumbiro but please ngoye bagamba focus on the food.
Yes. Kati ate woba toyina coconut milk nga toyina sente zigula coconut milk osobola ogenda mu katale n'ogula ekinazi n'okicrushing oba n'okiblendinga n'okisengejja kisobola okukola nga coconut milk naye togula coconut cream kuba ye akola nva takola muceere.
So nkufuna ekinazi kino ekinene so
n'okyasa n'okisekula
nzijjamu kino ekya white ekyomunda kyokka kinetaaga nensekula kati nenkola nenfumba
n'okijjamu amazzi olina ba ne blender bane oba toyina blender ebeera struggle osobola
okidinga neteekamuko
ku mazzi agamazzi go milk nga g'okozesa kuba kiri kiba kya 14 ate kano kakakaaga. Kati wano twetaaga ki okufumba coconut rice. Twetaaga ka coconut ekisookerwako, twetaaga omunnyo, twetaaga akalungo kano ke twafunye bakayita batya twetaaga buto, twetaaga ka cumin. Banne omukazi nga toyina cumin mu fumbiro yo tomanyi fumba muceere. It is one of the best ingredients when it comes to rice. Cumin and cardamoms, that is when it comes to rice. Yes. Then you need some onions and then you need some ginger and garlic paste. Then on top of that you need some chicken stock. Oba toyina chicken stock yes supu w'enkoko kati
mba sina supu w'enkoko nkola
kozesa oluzi naye era kano kaba beta
naye batuleke mu bwofumba enkoko oyo supu tomuyiwa stoko gwe tuwetaaga enva ennungi.
Oba toyina sente gula obusingo obw'enkoko obutokose mu mazzi ojja funa chicken broth.
Tebabuseera
1,000 so kati esigiringa ekutte oba nga toyina oba nku
oba oveni
yes teekako esepiki oyiwemu kabutto. Make sure you don't burn yourself, yeah? Yeah, me, I'm used to this. I'm very good at it. So, yeah. When that is done, add in some onions.
Okay.
At the end of the day, make sure you do not burn yourself, right? Caramelize the onions a little bit. Zifumbe ko omanyi obutungulu obufumba kakatono buyina sweet taste. Ababadde temamanyi. It gives it a sweet taste.
So obusiriza.
Obusiriza for this particular recipe obusiriza, then put in your ginger and garlic paste.
Okay. So weba tabaina garlic paste, I think also kozesa ginger ne garlic powder. Waliwo boba tosobola gratinga. Sala mu buto natono n'obuteeka mu muli. Yeah. So kwata ginger ne garlic. Kati oba omaze eyo step ogenda kujja oteekemu buno obulungo bwaffe pilau masala
obuteekamu buno ate obuteekamu toyetaaga munnyo mungi
kubanga bulimu already some castle sauce
teekamu then teekamu ne kano akalungo ke bayita turmeric toteekamu kangi. Nze nabagambye when you're cooking less is more. Woteekamu ekitono solo okyongerako naye woteekako ekingi tosobola kikendeza. This is cumin. Add it. Cumin is very good with rice.
Yeah.
Add it and you know then you're going to put some little salt. Era n'omunyo toteekamu mungi kuba n'enva ze tugenda ofuma nazo zirimu omunyo tokisussa. Kati at this point you're going to bring in your rice. So I'm going to add in some little water because ebirungo bibadde bitansokalira. So when I add in little water like that, ndoza mukiraba ekintu. Yes, flavor is building.
Oh yeah.
Yes. This is very nice. Now we are going to introduce in our rice. So whatever rice you have, wash it. Please wash it. Ejamu starch omuceere ne guba nga tegwekwata nnyo oba toyagala gwoza, it's up to you, but ejamu kalika starch. So let's wash the rice. Tebisirira. Ate ne bagamba mbu tata omwana tamanyi fumba bishu.
By the way, bisirira ngamba ye Sheila.
Now that you're done here, you're going to introduce in your rice. At this point, you see the rice does not have a lot of color.
Yeah.
But already we've infused in a lot of flavor. From the garlic, from the cumin, it's going to come out nicely. Then at this point, it's when you add in your coconut.
Coconut milk.
Yes, you add in your coconut milk. Add it all in.
So, but you pimisa maso.
Nze mpimisa maso.
Kata omuchere okoze quarter, okoze half.
Nkoze half.
Okoze half.
Yes.
Kati hapo oteka mamazi like sibitekera umanyi buli mafumba
bibye.
Wale wateka mu tampeko B n'ekitundu wale bateka mu tampeko B.
Ela kisinzira ku type of rice you're using. Okay. But for me this kind of rice that I'm using, it doesn't take long to get ready. Oh. So maybe 2 cups are enough. But since I have chicken broth, this is 1 cup. I will add maybe already no coconut liquid. Yeah. Maybe I'll add like a half of water.
Nga mutono nga we monitoring.
Nga webitokota nga we monitoring. So I'm going to mix this together. Then I'll give it a taste to make sure that the salt and every other spice is okay. Do you want to try that?
Yep. Try.
Try.
There's that salty.
I think the salt is not enough. I'll add a little bit.
A little bit and then
a little bit of that chilungo chawagambye. Chico, eh? I'm gonna add a little bit of that chico.
Chilungo masala.
Yes.
Don't do it, Sheila.
I'm gonna add some instead of salt. I'm gonna add that chico.
But I love it. I love coconut mani ya Singapore. Surprising.
Kati ngenda ate kamne chicken broth ate kijja kuba kisufu. Kati ate weka tukawali makatini tulemone ka butter. Kati ate ogende nga
omusajja ali.
You prepare yourself, yeah.
I know, right?
You prepare for yourself for the one that is ready and very appreciative, right? Okay, now that's it. I'm going to add in my chicken broth.
Oh.
And according to the way I see, even my chicken broth will be enough to cook my rice. But if I feel like it's not enough, then I'll add in some little bit of water. But before that, I need to add in some chico spice to add in the salt.
Okay. Balaba Tufumbe show tuchagendera ddala mu maaso wano ku Spark TV bamutadde na Sasula nchaide Chef Sheila having fun mufumbiro birate so agana ngabolinde mmere tulinda omuchere gujjenga bwazinazina muko katono katatugambye waliwo kyagendo tuyigize ekirala ki ekiwombera oba ekigendera ku muchere ogwa coconut angambye mbu chicken butter yekyasazeewo so simanyi kyewetaaga okufuna chicken butter or okupreparing chicken butter. The show is brought to you by Chico Muchuzi Mix nabanade Chico pilawo masala era tumukozesezzaako olwaleero tujja tubagamba results edda so Sheila.
Yes, please.
Chicken butter. Chicken etaga.
Ita butter chicken. Katokola butter chicken chewetaga ekisookerwako wetaaga enkoko. Oba oyina bifi, oba oyina chicken breast nenze njagala nnyo chicken breast yennyanguyira. Kati mwene chicken woba ogifunye ojja kuyiwamu lemon juice okata juice n'omukamula. Lemon juice katono n'okateekamu. Woba toyina lemon juice nabagambye vinegar works the same as lemon. Kati notandika okuteekamu ebirungo. Ekirungo ky'oteerabira, this is called garam masala. Garam masala is a mixture of so many spices and it really has great taste. Tokyerabira, teekamu ka cumin. Tokeerabira bamaada, cumin tomwerabira. Teekamu some turmeric for color. Ekiganda teekamu, oteekemu omunnyo, oteekemu ne kabuto woba oyina. Kakati ate ka secret ingredient kasibagambye omanyika ya katungulu oka deep fryinga omanyika na katungulu ke bakatuwanga ka apeta nga basize kadi ka apeta aka katungulu oka deep fryinga mu butto ne butto wako n'omuyuwa mu kino n'oteerabira ka plain yogurt atali mu kirungo. Plain yogurt nobiteekamu nobireka ne bimarinating enkoko n'emira ebirungo okumala ebbanga woba oyina obudde 1 hour is okay woba toyina budde 30 minutes is okay naye nze nabadde n'obudde kano kasuze mu kirungo kati wetuba tumaze nga tufuna esepiki yaffe kati tuyina okufuula n'enkoko brown tuyina okuyiwamu kabuto.
Okay, so tutandise ne step
emu kabuto. Kabuto tukeetaaga. omalo yuwamu kabuto funa enkoko ebifibyo ebyenkoko biteeke mutwagala bifuuke brown. That's it.
So ogenda deep frying paka wefuuka brown.
Yes. Kati okichaba weefaanana. Katugenda ogirindako efuuke brown. Bulungi. Tebikwata wansi. Tebikwata wansi. Osigala okolamu bwoti. Let's check on our rice.
And food.
Our rice nga mugulaba twadde twakoze coconut rice. Mugulaba we gutuuse. Amazzi saataddemu mangi. Nendoza at this point ngenda kendeza omuliro.
Okay. So kati nga betulinda emmere gye bulungi. Ndayo ka question.
Nenga nsuuya no.
Era balina otubeera mufumbira nga kiri mufumbiro
kitooka tasukisaanikire.
So kina njagala manya like omanyi waliwo abantu abali abakola young girls balawyers baani bonna abaliyo bagamba bannange obudde obugenda mu fumbiro nga sibuina so gobalancing otya okubeera mu fumbiro nofuna n'obudde oba social media era genda kufollowinga
era nofuna n'obudde
obugenda
ku
mulimu n'okola.
First of all, for me, food is a hobby. Like I told you before, I grew up with my dad, and every time he would come from work, we would always cook together. For me, it's a hobby. It's something I do for those that I love. It's something that I do as a love language. But I also love law. I love politics. I love it. And that's the direction I chose to take. So, techinzibu walidanze mva ku mulimu gyange
nenzije no matter the time.
And I don't find really any challenge, honestly. I really don't.
Okay. So do you love dining out or you prefer inside? No gamomanyi? Baby, let us say to get shopping. I love going out. I love bad things. Yes, I love cooking once, maybe on the weekends for my family and all that. But I also love going out. I love seeing new people. Sometimes you be in the house and you're overwhelmed. Like, otu kenyu baneku tulamu. Otu kanabantu woli na bone bakutama. No ababawo. No otu kana kutama. You want to see new people. You know, when you see new people and new places, it's therapeutic. Obongo buchuka.
It's therapeutic.
Alright, tushali fena wano ne Chef Sheila, lawyer wa vibe nkugambye having fun mu fumbiro wano era nga mutugizengeza okufumbamu coconut rice oba omuchere ogulimu ekinazi. Ndoza njogedde bulungi. So agambe obanga tulina matanga tusala tulina sente zigula gali amata kubanga yaguze kakaaga osobola ogenda mu supermarket section ya vegetables oba n'ogenda mu downtown nakasero nakawa awali akatale nobanga njagala ekinazi. Sometimes aba abakazi bana abetise ebibbo nga balinamu ebinazi nokampa ekinazi bwetufuna jamu ekyawakati agambye kiblending etekama amazzi mu blender yo amazzi aga blender like agavudde mu coconut ge weetaaga so ino okusengejja so mpola. So coconut rice then atulaze n'ekirala chaise chicken butter chicken era nga atulaze ebirungo bye weetaaga. Jukira we do step by step wano ku Tufumbe show courtesy of Chiko Michuzi Mix. Njagala bajukiza tuno wakozeeyo chicken pilau masala era tumukwesizaako olwaleero nja kuba mbagamba test yayo nkugambye. Otherwise, thank you so much. Tukyali fena temuvaawo. Tufumbe show Dorina Sasila.